So we made it down to the waterfall. There's a little sliding rock. The water is freezing. Miss Kate is right here. Nothing. There you are. Water's super cold, but there is a sliding rock right here.
Good afternoon. We just got done with our hike. How many miles was it?
I have no idea.
Let me look. Tap on my watch. Hold on.
Un momento. We're checking.
How do I stop it? 10,519 steps.
It's pretty good.
So don't know how many miles. Tells me how many steps it is.
Went to a little waterfall with a little sliding rock.
Yeah.
Now we're heading to go get some food and
Yes.
go to our campground and set up camp.
Yeah, and we're in the shower tonight for sure.
Yeah,
We are
absolutely.
sweaty.
The water
It
was
is.
freezing.
Yeah, it's 75-degree weather today, and it was so nice, but I am so not ready for the heat, the higher index of heat coming. And yeah, just crazy. Anyhow, well, guys, we'll catch you guys later.
I'll show you our campsite once we get our tent and hammocks and everything set up.
Yes. All right.
Hey guys, we just got done showering at the little shower spot. We're going back to our campsite.
Yeah.
And there is absolutely nobody at this place. Like, you got cute little cabins.
There's the cabin. Seats too. Or sleeps too.
And then we're going to our tent site. We got our hammock up. Got our tent. We're about to start cooking dinner here in a moment. Once we park and walk to
Campsite.
yeah. But we are camping on a lake tonight. Let's pause this and then we'll show you the campsite.
Just a second. Hang on.
So we're parked and walking to our little campsite. But there's absolutely nobody here.
Such beautiful weather out. You would think the campsite would be a lot more booked.
We got our tent out.